Assume you have matrix A as 3, 2, 1, 1. Let's find the inverse of this matrix A. Now, by this definition here, the inverse of this matrix A is going to be equal to 1 over determinant of matrix A multiplied by this. We have A and D here, so we are going to switch D and A. So this 3 and 1, we are going to switch it. So we have 1 and then 3, and then we are going to add negative signs to these 2 and 1 while they retain their normal position. So this is 2 and 1. So let's go ahead and find the determinant of this matrix A. So to find the determinant of matrix A, we are going to multiply this leading diagonal and then this 2 and 1 and take away the product of 2 and 1 from 3 and 1. So the determinant of matrix A is equal to 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1. So 3 times 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And so the inverse of matrix A is given as 1 over, the determinant of matrix A is 1. So 1 over 1 multiplied by 1 minus 2, 1 and 3. So 1 over 1 multiplied by 1 is still the same thing as 1 and the rest of them. So you still have 1 minus 2, 1 and 3. Thank you for watching.